and welcome back to my channel, Make Life Simple with Sandy. All right, y'all, I am going to show you, we're still in the middle of the corona thing. I am having an awful time trying to find hand wipes. You know, the germ-killing hand wipes. So, back before Christmas, I know if you watch my videos, I bought some of these for some of my family members to hang in their car. Now these are just regular wipes. They don't kill germs. Well, when I bought these, I bought a big bag of refillables, okay? There's 176 in here. And I got to thinking, all right, how could I make these antiseptic? So here we go. Now this already has, you know, they're already wet. They've got the lanolin and whatever else they're for sensitive skin, I think. So all we really need to do is make them to where they will kill germs. So I got me a little plastic. This is one of them Mr. lids. And I am going to take and put a handful of these in my bucket here. So I might be able to do, yeah, I might can do two, y'all. They're pulling out like they're supposed to. All right. So, and y'all, I've been wanting to do this, but I've been having trouble finding alcohol. Okay, just saying. So, but anyhow, so there we go. I've got them in here, and then I'm going to take. This is not quite a half a bottle. There's probably less than a cup, and I've got some more here. So, but I'm going to use what's left of this bottle and see how well they saturate, you know, as far as how much it'll kind of soak up. And let's see here. So I'm going to pour. All right, what I'm going to do, y'all, I just poured it in there, and then I'm going to flip them over. So, oh, and you can smell the alcohol. Just saying, you can smell the alcohol. So, but anyhow, I just kind of poured it over it, and I poured it in the bowl here, and then I'm flipping these. I should have turned the camera a different way, I guess. And I'm flipping them to, and yes, this is going to kill germs. You can feel the alcohol in it, y'all. And that was probably, well, this is 16 ounces, and it was less than half full. So it was probably about, what, 6 ounces maybe? And you can really smell the alcohol. So I'm going to leave these in here and close the lid and let them set. And I may cover them with plastic because I just don't know if this is not one of the best Tupperware, well, Mr. Lids. These don't close real good. And, you know, I think air seeping in, so I may cover it with plastic. But this is the only thing I had that was kind of flat that I could get some in. So, but I don't know. I may put some plastic over that. And then I'm either going to put some of these in like a Ziploc bag or maybe even put them in our little holders that we've got. And y'all, let me open this for you and show you what I'm talking about. I got this idea from, what was her name? I can't think of her name, but she lives in her car, or she did. She don't anymore. But y'all, she had bought these and hung them around the little bar that raises your headrest in your car, and use them to wipe her hands and wash her hands and stuff. So, and I thought that's a good idea. So I bought them. This is what a lot of my kids and my husband got for Christmas this year. So, but anyhow, y'all, if you're running out of hand wipes or whatever, if you can get your hands on some alcohol and some baby wipes. Now I know baby wipes are, with the toilet paper shortage, they were kind of getting hard to come by too. So, I don't know how they are now, but now, like I said, I bought these before Christmas, so don't be getting mad at me because I was buying baby wipes and I don't have a baby. So, but yeah, I've had these. I bought these back in November, I guess it was. And I thought, well, if I can add alcohol, we got hand sanitary cleaning wipes. So, is what I was thinking. hand sanitizing cleaning wipes, I guess is what it is. So, but anyhow, y'all, thank you so much for watching, and I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and God bless.